So click on the start drawing, then move the cursor wherever you want and just type UN, so which indicates its units. Okay, so first of all, when we open this, we have to set the units first. Okay, just click on enter. Then here precision, it's okay, you can take a 0.000 or else 0.00. It's okay. Then here you have to select, as a default it has been already selected, millimeters. Okay, then again click on limits. So when you type limits, it will open. So here we have to give the values for lower border and upper border. So what I will do, I will click 0 comma 0, or else you can type 0. After that you can click on tab to change from one place to another place. Enter, and you have to specify the upper right border, because because we have to specify how much drawing area we need. So what I will do, for my drawing, it is around a T section. A T section is having a flange width of 250 by 25, and web dimension has 25 by 150. So what I will do, I will take 500 by 500. So 500, either comma or tab. So it will change to another box. Again type 500, enter, Z enter, and A enter. So this page is ready. Z is nothing but zoom. A is nothing but all. Zoom all. What I would do is, if you have what to say, if the drawing is missing, if you click on Z enter and A enter, you will get the data or drawing, whatever it is. Okay. So next we have to draw a rectangle of dimension 250 by 250, comma or tab, and the dimension is 25. So means in sense depth is 25. I will type minus 25. It's okay, you can type 25 also. If you type minus 25, it will come downward, or else if you click on positive, it will give a means the drawing will go upward. That's it. Again rectangle, select again or draw. So again specify the dimension. 25 should be the width, and height should be 150 mm. I will type and enter. So you can see the drawing. So I can use escape button to remove all the different things. So again, now I have selected this. We have to join these two rectangles. So what I will do, I will select move command and then take this points. You can see the midpoint. So grab that midpoint and take to this. Again, search for the midpoint. So don't make any mistakes. See, I can see the midpoint now. So click here. Then what you will do, you have to on the trim command. So just type TR and double enter. So what happens? The trim command will be open. So what I will do, I will trim this things. What happens? It will trim off. So now, if you want to find out the center and moment of inertia, we need one region. But what happened is, see, if you click here, it is separate individual part, and then again if I click here, it is a separate individual entity. So what we should do, we should combine these two to make a single entity. So what I will do, first I will type REG, which is nothing but region. So click on enter. Then again it is asking which is that area you have to combine. So what I will do, I will select this whole area and just click on enter. What has now happened is, if I click somewhere on this section, it will select the whole thing. What has happened, it has become only one entity. So for this, what we should do, we should check the mass properties. Mass properties in the sense they will give everything, centroid, whatever, moment of inertia, everything will be given here. So click on enter. They're asking which section has to be the properties should be given. So what I will do, I will select this one and click on enter. It will show the values of there are so many values like area, perimeter, centroid, everything. So what we are first we should check is the centroid and moment of inertia. Our intention is to find out the moment of inertia and centroid. See if you can see the centroid is different. If you check in your books or somewhere else, what happened is the centroid what we have got is not same as these values. Why? Because it is not in the center part. In the sense UCS is there na. UCS is nothing but the XY direction symbol, which is there below this. So this should come in between the centroid. So what we should do is, first of all, we should specify the centroid. For that, what we should do is, see what I will do. I will take line command to. So before that, what we should do, mass prop again, enter, then click on this again, enter. So take this, record these values first. You can see the centroid values, right? These centroid values are there now. So you have to note somewhere else in the book or else whatever, wherever you want. Then using these values, you have to plot the centroid first. So for that, what I will do, I will take line command. Again, what I will do, they are asking for the they're asking to specify the first point and from which point we have to locate this. So what I will do, I will give the values of x and y here. 206.00 is nothing but 00. Precision is 4. So we have got 4 zeros again, comma, and the next value is 414.320. 414.320. So if you click on enter now, it will show the centroid point. So what I will do, I will take this and will make it straight line. So sorry. So what I will do, I will click on this one. So it is showing the straight line. What I will do, put a line here. Then if you want to check the centroid now, go to dimension here, linear dimension, and then select this point first and the centroid or whatever. So if you go here, if you leave the cursor here, if you check this, this is the exact point of centroid. So this is the centroid what we have got. The same thing will be in the same book. Okay. Now, if you want to check whether it is correct or not, again you can check the dimension by using again the same linear dimension, and from this centroid to this point, if I drag here, if I leave this, you can see it is having 129.69, which is nothing but the whole length of this is 150 plus 25 is total is 175. 175 minus 45.31 is nothing but 129.61. So what I will do, I will delete these things. Then I will click on delete. So we have got the centroid line this. So again, what I will do, I will select this one and I will delete this one also because it's not necessary for us. Now, if I want to check the moment of inertia, it is a big task. So what I will do, again, I will click on mass prop and click on enter. So if I check now it also it will show the same values. So if I want to check the mass moment of inertia, I need to make the centroid values x and y is equal to 0. So these centroids should be become x and y should be become 0. So for that, what I will do is, again, I will select the whole thing, and what I will do, I will click on the move command. Why we are taking movement is nothing but these UCS should be at the position of centroid, then only we will get the value of moment of inertia. So what I will do, so they are asking the from where to where I should move. So what I will do, the moving area is nothing but, so what are the x and y values? First one is 206.00 0000, and then I will click on comma. The next value is 414.320. 414.320. I'll click on enter, and again they're asking to where I should move. So what I will do, I will type 0 comma 0. If I click on enter, if I zoom it out, you can see the UCS has been moved to the centroid position. If I check the mass property of this, we can easily get the value of mass properties as needed. Okay, so I will select this one and I will click on enter. So now we can see the x and y values has become 0. This is not the perfect centroid. The intention of doing this 0 is that we have to find out the centroidal axis. So what I will do, we have got the value of centroid, so moment of inertia. See, you can see with ixs and iyy. So these are the values which we are needed. So with this we can easily conclude that it's a easy thing, but it will take some steps. Thank you guys.